In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to resolve if you're coming across a network cable unplugged error on your Toshiba laptop, tablet, or desktop computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. First thing I recommend doing would be just to disconnect your network cable and plug it back into your device. Make sure your network switch is working properly. Maybe you want to unplug and plug that back in as well as if you have a router, and then see if that resolves the problem. Something else you want to look at as well, if you open up the search menu and just type in CMD, best result should say command prompt, right click on it, and then run as administrator. Select yes on your Toshiba device, and then you want to type in ipconfig space /flush DNS. Flush DNS should all be one word, attached to that / out front. Hit enter on your keyboard. Should come back with Windows IP configuration. Successfully flush the DNS resolver cache. Now you want to type in netsh space winsock, WINSOCK space reset. Successfully reset the winsock catalog. You must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Close out of here and then restart your device at this time. And there you go, guys. Hopefully at this point your issue should be resolved. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope that I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.